Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect Wix to Make.com. So the first thing that we are going to do here is to create a webhook in Make.com. So just open your Make.com account. Then after that, just create a new scenario. So tap on this one at the top right of your screen. All right, and then tap on this plus icon and you'd be able to see here the webhooks. So simply tap on it. All right, and then choose the custom webhooks. Okay, so this one, and then click on the create a webhook. Okay, so for example, I'm going to name this one as Wix orders. All right, so this is just a sample. And then after that is to copy the webhook URL that Make gives you. All right. So here, just going to click on the save option. All right. And then we are going to copy the address to our clipboard. Okay, that's right. And then after that, go to the Wix.com. All right. So let me just go back here and then just open your dashboard. So first is we are going to select our website. For example, this one. So tap on the select site option. Just go to the automation. All right, so we have the automation right here. So just simply tap on it. That's right. And then we are going to create an automation. Okay, so for example, when a customer makes purchase, form submitted, or new member signs up. All right, so for example, get an email when a form is submitted. So we are going to set up this one. So once you're here, all you have to do is to create a new action. So for example, this one. All right, and then after that, you just have to find the integrations. So under the integrations, we have the send HTTP request, and then you just have to select that one. And then for the method, you have to choose the post. And then for the webhook URL, just have to go back to make.com, and then I just have to copy the address to your clipboard. That's right. And then going back here is you just have to paste that webhook and then click on apply after that. So you just have to click on the activate option at the top right corner of your screen. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.